Hey, what's up there crew? Matt Vassallo here with the rhinestoneworld.com. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to install the TRW font collector after you've purchased it on our website. So you can see I just purchased it. I'm going to go ahead and just copy my invoice number because I'm going to need that in a little bit. So I'm going to go to my account. Once I'm in my account, I'm going to click on my orders. I'm going to go to my most recent order and hit view download. And then I'm going to download here. That's going to download the font collector. I'm going to go ahead and extract all and extract. And then I need to go to my downloads folder and I'll see the font collector folder right here. Click into it and then double click to install. I'm going to hit yes. And now it's going to install the TRW font collector. Hit agree to the license agreement. It's going to install it on all versions of CorelDRAW I have on my computer, and it's completed and closed. Now we're going to open up CorelDRAW. Let's go ahead and get a new screen here. I'm going to go to Windows, Dockers, and TRW font collector right here. It's going to open the font collector on the right hand side. So now that it's installed, we have to activate it. So with this purchase, you can install the font collector and activate it on two separate computers. So if I try to click on a font right now or anything in the font collector, it's going to bring up my activation window. So I'm going to go ahead and enter everything it's asking for, my name, email, and invoice number. I'm going to paste my invoice number there and then hit get serial number online. Your serial number has successfully been created. Please click activate. So I'm going to hit OK and then activate. And my TRW font collector is now activated and I can add fonts to it, add collections to it. Make sure to watch the full tutorial on the TRW font collector on our YouTube channel, The Rhinestone World. And if you do have any questions, please comment below. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.